At just over 3,100 square feet, the Princeton floor plan includes 5 large bedrooms and 3.5 baths. As you enter this First Texas home, you'll be amazed by the beautiful hardwood flooring, high ceilings, and open floor plan. The stone fireplace included in the living area opens up to a gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, and granite countertops. The first floor includes a formal dining room, private study, an oversized master retreat, and a large walk-in closet. Feel free to unwind in the master bath's luxurious designer shower and separate garden tub. The second floor includes 4 large bedrooms and a spacious game room, perfect for entertaining your family and friends. If a home theater's in your plans, make sure to ask us about designing you an optional media room. This popular Princeton floor plan can be built in most of our First Texas communities.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.